What's up, guys? CSYG here. Today I'm going to be doing another YouTube update. I'm actually at my cousin's pool right now while they're at camp, and I'm swimming like all day right now. I can show you guys what it looks like. That's what it looks like. So it's pretty cool, and I'm going to be swimming this whole time. This YouTube update's I'm talking about what's happening this summer, and what's happening this summer is, well, I'm going next week on to a vacation to Madison, Wisconsin for about a week for the 4th of July weekend. And so don't expect too much videos. And then after that, I'm going to be in Montana visiting my grandpa. But that's not till like July 31st or something. That's a little far away. You guys don't have to worry about that. And then otherwise, we're going to be doing some new videos of maybe we're going to start doing some like Agario and Halo. Like, that's what my channel is supposed to be, actually. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And peace!